Okay, I'm gonna see if I can connect to my local server. At it? No, that's okay, here's the local one. Oh, except that I don't have. Okay. Start the server. You actually got to do that. Okay. Oh wait, no, it actually. What? How did it work with the server, local server? Well, whatever. The local server was off, but it was somehow running it anyway. I don't know how that works.
Sure.
Okay, so we got to do the. Got to set up a database here. It's got to go to where it is. You can tell I'm really prepared.
That's all good.
We should pin this. Okay. Just okay. Assignment 6. All right. So here we have our SQL file. Okay. So create a table called topic with 2 columns. Okay. What is this?
Should be table topic. Is that right?
Oh yeah. And inside that has ID. And book. And chapter verse. I guess that these can be integers.
Yeah, and should work for those guys.
And then that is everything, right? Create, insert into the table.
Oh wait, it says create table called topics with
ID
2 columns, just ID and name. Yeah.
This is. I actually don't know where I even got this. Where did I get this?
I think you were looking down at the next the next little bit.
Okay. Book, chapter, verse. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this. Content.
Well, that's for a different.
Yeah.
That's for a different table, though, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Okay.
the create table So then this
should be just. I think the other one was scripture. Was the other table.
and then topics goes here, and it has
just ID and name.
And then
yeah, then just insert into topics name. Yeah. And faith, sacrifice, and charity.
oh wait, can't do it that way.
I was just gonna ask, and I was gonna be pretty impressed if that worked.
That would make me happy if it worked.
Right? It'd make everything way simpler.
Yeah, that's obviously not how it works. Okay. And I didn't even put semicolons on the end. Okay, so there's that.
Yeah.
Okay. Create another table to link scriptures to topics.
Does it say what we should call that table,
Doesn't
or
have a scripture, like I guess I just
reference or something? Be a good name for that.
What they did in the example was something like this. Um,
Oh,
it was like that,
right.
and then it had the and I don't remember the foreign key syntax.
Yeah, to be totally honest, I use that one web app that that Jason was showing off the other day. Hang on, let me look at my SQL here. So should just say foreign key parenthesis. Wait, is that right? No, that's to alter table and add constraints.
SQL do.
Okay. So it's here. It says should be scripture ID int not null reference. and then scripture parentheses ID.
So that.
No, scripture outside of parentheses and then just ID inside of parentheses. Yeah.
Oh, but this is the topic one, so.
Oh, yeah.
I think we actually want the column to have the same name, so I'm going to do that.
What's that?
It just makes it easier, I think, if the topic is, I mean, if the columns have the same name, so.
Right.
Hey.
And then semicolon at the end of that.
Okay, I think that's all of our code. So I'm going to go ahead and run it. All right.
Yeah,
If
gets me every time.
insert. Okay, it says reference isn't valid.
Hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. It's references.
Okay.
References. Yeah.
Oh, see, there we go. It's highlighting it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, there we go. Make it neat. How far out are you from graduation?
This is my 5th semester.
So let's see here. That means you have.
Relation topic does not exist. Okay, topics.
No.
I'm just making all the little tiny mistakes that I can.
No. Happens.
And I
Keeps you
keep
humble.
doing that. There is no unique constraint matching given keys for reference. What does that mean?
There's no unique constraint. Oh, I think we had to yeah, so at the end of that at the end of the topics table, yeah, constraints yeah.
And now it's working. So we have our server. We have the stuff up. Okay, so now we need to create a oh frick. We need to create a PHP page for it. Okay, and it's not PHP.
Let's see here. So it says, I'm just trying to think about it. It says to have the PHP generate check boxes for each topic container. That seems stupid. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you just have that as have the checkboxes as a separate input?
Wait, where are you?
So yeah, in the PHP.
So what this is doing, I did something similar for mine. This is, it goes into the database, it queries the database, and gets the topics from it.
Oh, okay.
And then it creates checkboxes with those topics in them.
Okay.
So that's what that's talking about.
What text editor are you using?
This is just Notepad++. Oh,
nice.
I have a cool little plugin that makes it so you can just type a tag and hit Control-Shift-Enter, and it will
nice.
make it into an HTML tag. Okay, so in here,
yeah, just a couple input text boxes and a submit button should do.
okay. Okay, now we need to do the PHP stuff. And I don't remember how to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out of my other stuff.
Yeah, I don't think we're really expected to commit all that to memory.
Okay. Go to my website. Go to search.php. Oh, no, that's not what I need. I need this one. So yeah, I created a handy little script that loads the database.
Oh, nice.
And it runs locally and on the server because it goes, because it grabs the URL from the environment variable. Okay, so, well, actually, the easiest thing would just be to copy this into this. I don't want a shortcut. Huh? Oh, no, that's kind of weird. Okay, and then all I have to do is just do
Oh yeah, nice.
I need to call
the function.
Yeah.
That's pretty slick.
And then now we should have our database. Oh, except I need to, of course.
Right.
Now need a reference for making a query, which means I should have just left this open. Search. Okay. So I'm just gonna okay. So then we just want
What's that prepare function doing?
I don't know, is that like, so it pre-compiles the SQL command.
Okay.
And then you can execute it later. So
right.
If you have a command that you're going to execute a whole bunch of times, it makes it a little bit faster.
Right. Okay. That's pretty cool. I'd just never seen that.
Okay, select aim from okay. Topics. And just execute it. And then okay, I need to look up the checkboxes because I don't remember them. HTML, form elements. Option, text area, buttons. It's more like input types. That didn't quite work the way I wanted it to. All right.
Do you not need the dots in there in the editor you're running?
Well, because there's single quotes inside the double quotes. Could see the whole string is in double quotes.
Right.
So it parses these single quotes as part of the string.
Oh.
And it's always like that. I was trying to explain that the other day, but I wasn't doing a very good job, I guess.
Well, it looks like I did a ton more work than I needed to.
Okay, let's see if that worked. Not there. Localhost / /web/ assignment 6. Invalid argument supplied. Fetch all expects parameter 1 to be integer. Where did it? So it decided to close that for some reason. Okay. Fetch all expects an integer.
So what is the fetch all? Sorry, I didn't use that one either in my assignment.
That's just going to return all the rows.
Okay.
But what I was trying to do here was return an array of just the names, because you can do that, but I didn't do it right. So, okay. Here's what we need: PDO fetch column, comma, name. Okay. Well, now it created checkboxes, but didn't put labels on them.
You
gotta put the label separately.
Well, outside the tag.
So we'll just access this variable a third time.
There you go.
And then a line break after.
Make it pretty.
There we have it.
Beautiful.
Now, what's the next thing we need to do?
Let's see here. Hang on, I got it up.
After the user submits a form, have the application show a page that lists all the scriptures in the database, each one with its associated topics.
We missed the first part of the part of number 2 where we needed to make text boxes for book, chapter, and verse. Book, chapter, verse, and content.
Oh, you're supposed to add a thing. Add scriptures. Oh. Okay. And then I did create a thing in the database for it already, but I guess that's okay. I mean, yeah, I could have sworn I read that to create that in the database, but then I guess I kind of read like here and then got down here instead. I don't know.
Something.
Okay, created PHP script. A PHP page. Okay, so that's just another form.
Yeah, well, yeah, that one doesn't have to be actual PHP code. It can just be regular tags, I think.
Yeah. Each one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, freaking kids.
Oh, this is for adding the.
Yeah, so
this is all. This all needs to be in that.
Oh, right. So we add the scripture, and then it generates that, and we tell it what and then we tell it what the topic is, and then it gets.
Yeah. So what it should be then is so. Oh, this doesn't work. Here. And before that, input. Whoa.
There we go.
Okay, so there's one for the book. Okay.
Cool.
And still need to put the
It's shattered everywhere. And it's all your fault.
okay.
Wasn't it 5?
Oh no, this shouldn't be an input type. It should be
Oh, right. There we go. Oh,
okay, and I guess it's also should be that.
all right. There we go. It just needs a line. It just needs a break at the end of it. Oh, you got it in there.
Okay, here we go. It's not exactly pretty, but I guess it'll do.
Teenage mother.
I think then we just need a submit button then, yeah?
Yeah.
Get back to the door. Oh, no, I can't write anything. Stop. I can't write anything. Sit down.
Ugh, keep forgetting the line breaks. And also should probably not be before that.
Right.
So there we go. There's that. We only have 15 minutes left.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to. That's not gonna get all coded. Yeah. Let's see here.
It's like watching a PewDiePie video. That's what I was running.
You wanna call it good here?
Might be able to get a little bit more out.
All right.
So, next, okay, so we need to add it to the database. Okay. Okay, okay, we're gonna need a new page, looks like. This one. Use scriptures.
Oh, that's right. That was one of the questions I had from earlier when I was going through the reading. Where do we get the sequence the names of the sequences from?
You would just
Or is it
you would
always
just put in you'd put in the name of the table, and then and then
underscore
add
ID?
underscore.
Is it then underscore ID underscore SEQ?
It's just underscore SEQ, I think.
Okay.
I don't know though. Okay. So now this part's going to be different too. Okay.
It's weird that nobody else showed up tonight.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, to actually form. Okay, method post. Okay, so that's going to go through the posts. We're going to go through the post table,
Get keys and values.
sanitize it, and then I guess we can add that trim thing too. Okay, so there we have it, sanitized. Now we'll do some variable shenanigans. Except I don't know if that's actually going to work.
You got an extra $sign at the beginning of the first key.
No, that's this is a variable. So it'll take the value of this,
Uh-huh.
of k, and it'll treat it as the name of a variable.
You're blowing my mind, Sam.
So it'll put it in a variable that has the same name as the key. I don't know if it'll actually work though, because the scoping might not be right, but let's just see. Would one of them be called book? Let's see. Okay. Haha. See, look at that. Isn't that cool, man? It works. I didn't actually think it would work, but there we go. Variable shenanigans. I don't have to go through the names or anything.
Huh. That's pretty cool.
The only problem is it's a little bit harder to see what's going on, but
Yeah, well, if you really wanted to, you could comment and but you know, ain't nobody got time for that.
all right, so we have everything loaded. Now what was it doing? Okay. Show a page list all the scriptures in the database. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this part in 5 minutes.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm good. I'm good with where we left off, with where we got to.
Oh, we need that one guy who does the whole thing before he comes. Okay. So yeah, I guess we can call this good.